Hey friends, if you wish to fix internal error 0x06 on your Windows computer when you're unable to launch a game through Steam, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now we'll stick to one resolution only. Open the File Explorer, go to this PC. Now right click, open the system drive or the C drive, select users, go to public, right click in the open space, select new folder, name it documents. It's documents in plural, and we can say yes, so we can open public documents because it already exists. Now select new folder and name it Steam and hit enter. Now this folder did not exist earlier and Steam was unable to create it, thus you were facing this problem. Once this is done, right click on the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your computer, and after restarting your computer you will be able to access your game easily. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video. We will investigate further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.